Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to create a simple scraper which will scrape text from a website. So first of all I'm going to import requests into Python. If you don't already have this, you might not have this on board, so you'll have to install it through pip if you don't have it. I'm going to create a function called search website text. Okay, I'm going to create a variable here called response and assign it to the requests dot get URL. Right, I've not created the URL yet, so I'm going to create a conditional first. If in fact let's make it yeah, okay, I'll do it like that. If search text dot lower in response.text dot lower if it's lowercase, we're going to do something. Print, we're going to use the F string here to format it. Search text on the website. So the text will have been found on the website. And then we're going to do the catch-all here, the else statement, else. Again, we're going to print out a message to the user and we're going to format it using the F string. Search text not found on the website. So we're going to search for some text on the website. If we find it, we'll tell the user. And now we're going to run the program using this special variable. Name name okay. Made a little mistake there. Okay, let's go back to that. And we're going to type in URL here, so this is where the user will enter in the URL. The search text here. enter text to search. User will enter the text in there to search. Search. Website. Text. Then we're going to pass it two arguments, the URL and the search text. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, let's enter a website URL. Enter text to search. Yep. Bit of a problem there. Such website. Okay, guys, passed it too many arguments in here, so let's just save that and let's just run it again. Okay, let's go to a website. Let's look at this. So let's go. Pass it in a random website that I know. Teaching website. So hit enter. Enter text to search. So input Thailand. Hit enter. Wait, Thailand on the website. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's pass it something really random. This time let's go to a different website. Let's go to https I think example.com. Hit enter. Let's type in something that could not exist, something totally random that will never exist. Type in that text to search. Wait, and there we go, not found on site. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.